I am Amit from Alpha Engineers, Mumbai. I have graduated from, I have done BTech from IIT Madras. Our company is in the manufacturing of accessories of plastic processing machineries. Products like water manifolds, quick couplers, mold clamps are our main products. We are based in Mumbai. I think this is the first time I am participating in HIPLEX. Exhibition facilities were good. There were a few hiccups of some getting furniture on the first day. We got it extremely late. कुछ तो आज ही आया है. Apart from that, experience is fine. There is a decent crowd, which is a very good thing. Inquiries, I think the inquiries are serious, and I'm hopeful that they will get converted into significant sales.